Oh, we got a big winter storm coming in the Pickerhood, ladies and gentlemen. April 3rd. Winter storm coming. What? See a little bit of snow coming in right now. There's no snow on the ground. We'll have to see what we get. We'll have to see how much snow we get. Spring storm 2018.
It's snowing!
A little bit. We'll have to see how much snow we get, right, buddy? Snowing a little bit. We're supposed to get a big storm. Alright, YouTubers, 3rd of April still. Let's check the snow in the Pickerhood that we got so far. What? Spring snowstorm 2018, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like some packy ass shit too. What? It's a badass Chevy right there, boys. We got a little bit of snow in the Pickerhood, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of snow so far. They're already breaking the plows out. What? Getting the roads all plowed. Spring snowstorm 2018. April 3rd. Wasn't looking like this earlier. Better make a freaking snowball. Oh, that's perfect fackiness. We're gonna have to make a snowman out of that. Good for making snowballs. Perfect fackiness. Oh, that's nice. What? I can't believe we got this much friggin' snow in spring. This is ridiculous. Stupid Michigan weather. Need to go to Florida where it's warm. Go back on the beach. This is getting bullshit. What? We need to go back to the friggin' beach. I'll check back in with you tomorrow. Hopefully all the snow will be falling by then. We'll come out here in the morning time, do a little recording. They start plowing shit at like 2 in the morning, 3 o'clock. 2, 3 a.m. they're out plowing. Yep, check back in with you on the 4th. See what this fiasco looks like. I was just scrapping all the metal over here on the side of the house. Get it, Coop, go. Show us how much snow. Shit. Got all the snow on the trampoline. Let's see if we can get her to jump up there real quick. Come on. Get up on the trampoline. Get up there. Get up there. Scrappy, he doesn't even want to come out here. Look at Scraps buried again, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a minute before I get to that. Biggest spring snowstorm I've ever seen in my life. What, now you want to get rowdy? Cooper likes it. We got a snow dog here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at him. You a snow dog? I'm gonna get you. The dog is crazy. You're crazy in the snow, Coop. I don't want snow to get in my boots. That's how much snow we got today. Schools are canceled. People can't even get out of their friggin' driveways. Dog likes it. What? We're making a YouTube video and you're gonna go do that? How are we ever gonna compete? Oh, let's see what it looks like out here today, ladies and gentlemen. April 4th, 2018, springtime in the Pickerhood. Oh, it looks nice and springy. Looking nice and springy out today. Look at the big friggin' snow mounds. A lot of friggin' snow fell in one day. Can't even get out of the driveway, look. Buried. We're friggin' buried. It sucks. Look at the drift in front of the car. What? This is unbelievable. And it's still snowing. April 4th, 2018, ladies and gentlemen. Biggest spring snowstorm in John Picker history. What? Plow deck. Probably, Bedrock probably plowed out that road right there. He usually does it. Usually plows the whole friggin' road, and all I have to do is a little part out the end of my driveway and I can get out. I'm John the Picker. April 4th, 2018, springtime. Makes you want a sing-a-ling time. What? It's craziness. Pure craziness. Oh, we got whiteout conditions in the Picker hood today, ladies and gentlemen. Check out the friggin' drift units. Whiteout conditions in the Picker hood. Holy shit. My foot just got buried right there. I don't even know if I can make it to the end of the driveway. We're gonna try to make it out of here today. I stepped it out here to where they neighbor friggin' plowed the road a little bit. Oh, 32, check this action. What? Friggin' spring snowstorm action, ladies and gentlemen. Check that out. White out driving conditions. As you can friggin' tell. Can't even see down the road. What? White outs. This is friggin' craziness. Spring, April 4th, 2018. Biggest snowstorm we've got. Restrictions on the road and shit. Where's the next car? It's cold out. Record some cars going by. Faniac. I love the Faniacs. One of my most favorite cars. Look at the Chevy just cruising. My guess is that's the kind of vehicle you want, ladies and gentlemen. Big ass Chevy like that. I'm John the Picker. It's a wee bit cold in the Picker hood. If we were living in Florida, we'd have sand blowing in our face, but the complete opposite here today, ladies and gentlemen. The complete opposite. This is craziness. There ain't much cars going by. I'm going back into the house because it's cold. It's going to probably delay my Pastrana card. I ain't going to be able to get to the freaking mailbox. Holy shit. We got to go, boys. Alright guys, Picker here coming to you from the great snowstorm of 2018. I'm going to shovel my car out so I can get out and go up to Walmart's parking lot, tape what they got going on today. What? Gonna go tape Walmart's parking lot. The plow actions. That's what I need. Put it on the front of the Paniac. Oh, let's see how deep the freaking snowdrift is next to the car, ladies and gentlemen. Check that out. What? It's freaking over a foot. That's crazy. Freaking snowdrift's 18 inches off the freaking ground. Holy shit, man. I ain't never gonna be able to get out of the driveway. I'm gonna have to use the rear bumper just to move it. What? It's a lot of freaking snow. Yesterday there was nothing. Today we got 20-inch freaking grist behind the car. Something happened. Shit, it's crazy. Shit, we're all blurred up. Snowmobile's going, but Picker hood. Oh, we even got snowmobiles going today. What? What? Passing sleds and shit. craziness. He was looking too. He knew John Picker was recording, boys. We go to McDonald's, take Walmart's parking lot. You know, the usual. Hey, you better put your lights on, bud. You need those today. White out driving conditions. Looks like they pulled right over. They didn't even feel like driving. Either that or it's freaking stuck. Alright, take a little gander at the town today. See what's going on in town. Plowing action. Look down the window so we can see what's going on. $2.72 a gallon for gas up at Walmart's. $2.72 a gallon. Harbor Freight. The grand opening sign's a little snowy today, as you can tell. Harbor Freight. Tool store of all tool stores. You gotta keep the heat cranked today. It's cold out. It's freaking cold out. There goes Young's. Oh, they had that freaking intersection pretty plowed. State police post. They ain't scared to give you a ticket. What? They will not hesitate 1 second to write out the tickets, boys. Snowstorm 2018. This is awesome. I don't even want to hit the side streets. We'd get stuck real quick. We didn't even have no snow 2 days ago. Look at it now. It's slippery, icy. Surprised we haven't seen an accident yet. Show you the lake ski. They're doing a pretty good job plowing the roads. It's been non-stop snow since yesterday. Oh, Pontiac. Freaking Pontiac. I love that kind. Freaking love that kind. Ford. Freaking Ford. That's an alright car. Fusions are alright cars. I like them. I like the style. The newer ones kind of look like Mustangs. Whoa, we're missing action. Snow action. We're getting a little plow job today. Oh, everybody's plowing. That name again is Mr. Plow. Who knows what that's from? If you know what that's from, comment in the comment section. Look, trying to get in there, you'd get stuck. Especially if you had a car like me. You'd get buried. I'll go this way. We're gonna have a nice little snowstorm video. Alpena Michigan snowstorm. This is my town. It was garbage day today. You can tell by the cans. I did not go garbage picking today. If you're wondering why I haven't been garbage picking, well, this would probably be the reason. Ain't nobody gonna throw much out in the friggin'... They can't even walk to their garbage can. People shoveling. He's got his windshield wipers up. Windshield wipers are up on that rig. It's a nice little house. Nice little house. Funeral home on the corner. McWilliams. Still banning, I believe. This guy's riding his bike. That is crazy. Glasses on and shit. School down there. that guy. This is what it looks like after your town gets hit with one of the biggest snowstorms of the century, ladies and gentlemen. What? We haven't been getting shit for snow. This is the biggest snowstorm we've gotten all winter. And it's spring. What? Alright. Jerry's Barber Shop. He's missing an R in the barber. Oh, look at the sidewalk cleaner. Sidewalk cleaning going on in the Picker Hood. Black Sheep. Look, they closed the theater down. It's crazy. They closed the friggin' theater right down, ladies and gentlemen. This used to be a theater right here. They had the windows boarded up for a minute. Now they took the window boards off. Scoops ice cream. We could make our own ice cream today. Oh, we're sliding. They're parked on the side of the road. Not good for the plows. Not good for Mr. Plow. The Owl, that place burned down before. The Owl had burned down before. I like this car because you can press the gas as hard as you want. It won't spin the freaking tires. It just keeps the traction going. You are tractioning the whole way. They just built that place. I got them on video building that establishment. What you gonna do, bro? Broski. Turn them off. Oh, it's a funeral. Not a good day to have a funeral. People can't even get out of their driveways. Como's is all plowed right up, ready to rock. They're not playing games there at Como's today. There's our famous Dairy Queen. That should be open soon. What are these guys doing over here? Careful. 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 Oh, look at the places. Look at the cars. They're buried. Courthouse is hopping like usual. They're getting lots of business. Lots of business at the courthouse. It's one place that never closes. They're always sending people to jail. What? Always sending people to the can. We'll sit here and admire this intersection. Mike's Hardware used to be over there where them cars are. The old Mike's Hardware, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure if you've watched my show, you've heard me talk about that. I got them on video ripping the old building down that was right there on the corner, and they turned it into a freaking car lot. Look at the Jeep. They need a Dodge up there. You like Dodges? Dodge Rams. The highest 100 you can get. Like 7,500. 8,500 edition. Thousands. Nailers. Nailers. Some plowing going on. Plowing going on at the old Nailers. What? Freaking old Zolnerics. I can't believe they haven't ripped that place down yet. Still standing. Stands the test of time, that place. Look, they still got shit in there on the shelves and everything. What do they got for sale, ladies and gentlemen? That guy had all kinds of stuff. I remember going in there when I was a little kid. I'd go in through the side door on the right. There'd be a couple old guys sitting in there bullshitting. Bunch of beer, that's all I remember. All I remember is there was lots of beers. That was a store. There's a laundromat over here. This laundromat over here had an arcade game in it, and it wasn't locked, and there's a kid in there. He showed me how to open it up and get free credits. So I'd go in there and play free games all day. Play free games on their arcade machine. Some kid showed me how to get free credits on it. Awesome. Freaking awesome. Alright, we're almost to the end of our tour. There's McDonald's. And there's Little Caesars, one of my most favoriteest places. Shouts out to them for the free pizzas. We love Little Caesars. Awesome. Ford lease, the old Pennzoil. Pennzoil 10-minute oil change is no longer an oil change. We're gonna hit this side street. Hopefully we don't get stuck today. Thunder Bay Restaurant. They got the best onion rings in town there, ladies and gentlemen. Hand battered, made while you're sitting there. Never had a better onion ring than that place has got. What? The friggin' onion rings are huge. Huge. You can just order one of them and eat it for dinner. You don't even need to order a burger, just order the onion rings. As I mentioned before, today this is to be the garbage day. It's to be the garbage boss. I didn't go garbage picking. Holy frozen windshield wipers. Ooh, look at that truck. I need that. I freaking need that. Thing's a beast. Especially today we need it. Be whipping some donuts in Walmart's parking lots. What? Oh, look at the old Zolnerics. No skateboarding or rollerblading on his property. He'd get pissed. He would get pissed. I don't know, I'm just playing. He probably wouldn't. I'd live there. This friggin' place has been abandoned for how long? I would live there, ladies and gentlemen. Nope, it just sits. Shit growing up on the top and everything, look. Hold on, let me roll down the window. There's trees growing up there. Freaking trees. What? Look at that beast. Every time I turn the corner, the whole car wants to slide right into the ditch. Son's a bitch. Pontiac. Great for winter driving. It's one of the best companies ever. I don't even know why they stopped making cars. I love Pontiacs. Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge. This is like a going back through the town in a different way. Johnny boys. Plowing. A little bit of snow blowing. Action in the picker hood. Action, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. What? Always some shit going on around here. Cracker Barrel. Wine tasting. Burgies? I gotta go there and get a burgie. I've never been there. Never had a burgie before. Never had that kind. Probably a good kind. Look at the bank. They got the big rigs at the bank. Oh, that's the police department. Holy Caterpillar. Maybe if they had a smaller plow, it'd be easier to plow it. Oh, it's just my observation driving by there. Plow could barely fit in the freaking parking lot, ladies and gentlemen. Friggin' dark snow is the old hill, the white snow is the new hill. The Swin Shop, Cobblestone Cyclery, where I got my first mongoose back in there. I think I dig out of that guy's garbage. I think I do some digging in his garbage. Alright, we're almost done with our town tour. I'll take a left up here at the light because I missed that part. The old Mama's Kitchen. Remember when that was a restaurant? I used to go there and eat lots of French fries. The painting. That's all I used to do. I'd go in there and order French fries. I was in there so much the waitresses and shit were buying me French fries. They're like, oh, I'll buy your French fries for you. Cool. $2, you get to eat lunch. Big ass French fries too. The waffle cones made fresh daily. Every day they make their own waffle cones. Alright, let's continue our adventure. 2nd Avenue, Alpena, Michigan. We're going a little slow today because we can't get out. We got Art in the Loft, the Center building. I forget the friggin' restaurant that's there. Fresh Palette, that's it. Bob's friggin' Bullpen. Fresh Palette. I heard they have great food at the Fresh Palette, but one of the best places to eat in town, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't been there, high class. Well, that guy did a little burnout ski. That's what I like to see from my Alpena people. Making me proud. Little burnouts. We'll see what's going on around this neck of the woods. They got laser tag there. Go bust your buddies with some lasers. Oh, there's some kids out there on the bench. What are they doing out in a snowstorm? That's ridiculous. Sideways. City trucks are on the move. Let's go this way. Look, they roll in packs of 2. One's salting, one's plowing. Got it nice and plowed for old Johnny. Look at this snowbank at Save-A-Lot. That'd be a good one to go sledding down. Big ass snowbank at the old Save-A-Lot. What's boy doing? Bud. Skirt! Skirt, skirt! Skirt! Need some room there, buddy. Gots to roll on. Keep on rolling on. Some boats for us to look at. Fire water. We're drinking that fire water. Yep, I'll check back in with you when we get to Walmart's. Friggin' State Street in the snowstorm. There's the big rock house everybody just loves. Everybody loves that house and the one across the street. Rich folks territory. I used to stay in that house a long time ago. John the Picker lived in the rock house for a minute. Some hot chick was living there too. What? Some friggin' hot chick. State Street, we used to walk all the way up to the pier, go swimming there. Then go to Subway and get subs, and I'd always have jalapenos on mine. Always have the jalapenos. Look at the white out conditions, ladies and gentlemen. This is craziness. Welcome to Alpena. Craziest winter town you'll ever be in. Oh, free recliner. Free recliner, boys. We need that. Friggin' need that. Turning around. What? Friggin' gotta turn around now. Go dig my recliner out of the snowbank. A lot of furniture they were giving away last week. They had furniture, couches, and you just seen a recliner. All kinds of furniture ski. Snow shoveling. Coming in May. Hippie, something hippie. Blazing hippie or something. I don't know what the store is called, but it's something to do with being a hippie. That's all I know. KFC on the left. This is like a freaking old town tour you guys are getting. KFC. Mancino's is on the right. Oh, they got the Gorilla. It's back on top, getting snowed on. This is friggin' craziness. Oh, there's still somebody parked there, look. They're still chilling. Snowstorm ain't gonna stop them from hanging out. What? That's where everybody hangs out. As you can tell, I can't see a damn thing. Somebody's behind me. Hopefully they use caution. Wow, this is crazy. We're right in the middle of it. There's Taco Bell. I think they're closed today. I mean, I don't imagine too many places being open. I'm gonna be lucky if I even make it home. What these guys do, get stuck? Or are they just looking? Oh, they walked over there. That's craziness. Look at you, can't even see the friggin' lights. Look at the road lights, ladies and gentlemen. You can barely even see them. That's friggin' craziness. Barely see the road lights. What? Cut through the mall here. Hopefully I don't get friggin' sideswiped. McDonald's. I think I hit the worst part of the storm, ladies and gentlemen. Check that out. Sorry about that situation. He's gonna get stuck, boys. He is done. Oh crap. Let's check the scenes in the Pickerhead, ladies and gentlemen. Slow right down, turn the corner so he doesn't go sliding into that van today. Do not want to go sliding into anybody when you're snowing out. What? Let's check the mall out today. Not what we were looking for. Lots of snow action, ladies and gentlemen. Check that out. What? Snowing good around here. Let's pop through here. Hopefully we don't hit a big brick ski. How's Gordon Food Services parked over here for, bud? You taking a break? Because Gordon Foods is over there. The dude's taking a break. Little break unit. Little lunch unit. He did not like that one bit. The freaking mall. What? Dude's over there plowing and shit. Snow blowing, snow plowing, Thunder Bay Transportation's over yonder. We got some good snow action going on here. Drop the plow, buddy. Snow's getting plowed. Holy shit, man. Dude's ripping. That's awesome. Alpena Mall parking lot. I don't know. Oh, the plows are on scene in the picker hood, ladies and gentlemen. Plowing it up big times. Plows on creating scene. Check this cat out today. Oh, we need that dynamo to plow in the picker hood. Big time plowing. Holy shit, man. Cleared it out good.